Alright, we've got 3 boxes of fish here. Gonna do our first shipping unboxing. First time ordering fish. We've got 2 paradise gouramis, a male and female. Kind of hard to see in the bag, but we'll get better video once we get them acclimated. Let's go ahead and get them in the tank of water to get them start acclimating. All settled in to their temporary tanks while they're quarantined. Here's your rams. I don't want to zoom in there. Hopefully these guys will get some color soon once they get de-stressed. We're going to leave them alone and let them chill.